our music teacher the first year was this guy with like shocking red hair who played awesome piano. And he used to take us, like this little group of Shule kids, and he would like, oh, we're gonna go to the Workman's Circle benefit here, and we're gonna go to that performance there. And he rounded us up there, and this guy, Zalmen Mlotek, who was our Shule music teacher, he would schlep us to the Pennsylvania Hotel or the Waldorf Astoria, to the Lincoln Center, and we were doing concerts and things. I don't know what I'm doing. He was like, oh, here's this young person with a really big mouth and a big voice. And I was also a kid, and he takes me, we're gonna go to WEBD radio, and you're gonna do a performance with Claire Barry. And okay, that sounds about right. Is it Sunday? That's what I do on Sundays. I go with Zalmen and my Shule class, and we sing with Claire Barry. And we went to Avery Fisher Hall, and we did some kind of a performance. And in hindsight, you go, oh, that's who that was. I was performing with Ben Bonus and Minna Byrne, who were big stars of the Yiddish theater. Little kid. So when I came across Minna later in my life, she's like, oh, the little girl, I remember you from the Shule. You are very talented. And you get this large, to my parents, oh, you have a very talented daughter. And so Zalmen was really, really inspiring, and he was also really kind of game. If it had occurred to me that he was really young. When you're 11 years old, everyone is really old. And anyone who's like over 18 might as well be. But so we kept treating him like an adult. And I was like, oh no, he was probably 25. I don't know how old, he was a kid. He was a young man. But he was really cool. And I remember once sitting in the back of our Shule class, and Zalmen is playing, and we are shamelessly flirting with each other, because there are cute boys there, and they speak Yiddish. And we're all just playing around with each other, because that's what little kids do, and Zalmen is going to kill us. We're singing, we're tearing on things, and we're giggling and giggling. And he finally says, he goes, oh, what? And he goes, what does Elton John have to do with die Sonne wird heruntergehen? And we all go, don't let the sun go down on me. Because we're coming from this place, and he's singing Die Sonne wird heruntergehen, and we know what it means. The sun is going down, the sun is setting, and we're giggling our brains out. But if you have someone who's cool enough to be playing, and we were also sitting in the back going, yeah, I think Zalmen's cool enough to play Elton John, don't you? Yeah. And so we were so mean.